I know I don't speak a lot in my videos, but this truck, if anybody wants to know, has been amazing. And it is a 1500. It is in fact a 1500 Detroit. And this thing is amazing. Everything works on it. The heat works, albeit not very well. The radio works.
Wait, you bait.
Don't want to get copyrighted. Both windows roll down. All the brake lights work, tail lights work. Tires are painted nicely up and new. Engine runs great. If I can get the damn hood open. Everything looks good in here. It has some wear. It has some wear. It's currently stuck down here. But it's all good. It's got taillights, nothing wrong. It might die here though, because it's a bit cold today. It's only 28 degrees.